Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can create a simple portfolio website using Canva. So recently Canva has integrated a website builder in their platform. So you simply go to canva.com and then make sure you create an account. I already have an account, so if you don't have, you just have to create one real quick, and then you go to create a design. So from here you'll be able to choose a number of templates that are available. So for us, we need the website templates, so we don't have it here, so we're just gonna come here and search for website. Now here you can see there are a number of website templates, free, pro, so you can just scroll around and see which one suits your tastes. So I'm gonna choose this one. So once it opens, I'm just gonna change its name to the code check, and then you can preview it from here. So this is how your website looks before you even make any modification to it. So you can view it with navigation and without navigation, and here to view it on mobile phone. And so this is how the website will look on mobile phone. Right, so now let's go ahead and start customizing. So you come back here and close. So we're gonna start with the first page. Let me minimize this and slightly increase it. So I'm just gonna change these texts, and then you can put your profession here. So let me just say website designer, and then you can replace this image. So to replace the image, you come to elements, and then you can search here any image of your choice. Let's say woman, but then you have to, if you want to add your own image, you click on upload and then upload image, or from here, and then I'll just upload this image. So once the upload is complete, I'm just gonna drag it here, and that is image. So I can choose to change the font or move this a little bit up, then move this a little bit up. So let's change the color to this, and then this. So you can just simply click change all, that will automatically change all the brown colors to your new color. So we click on change all. So all colors have been changed. So let's come back here. You can see it's been changed throughout the site. So the next thing is to change the font. So click on this and then choose a font that you would like. So let's go with this. And then also we are going to repeat the same. It will ask you to change everywhere where there is the Halton font to the Bogart font. We just click change all, and when we go back to our site, you'll see that the fonts have been changed. And then we also have this text fonts. You can also change it as well to that. Let's see how that looks. So we just click on change all. Now that was pretty fast. So the next customizations you're gonna make is just to change this text, change the headings, brands you've worked with, and all that. So once you're done with that, you can change your footer, change your email, add phone. Like, you simply add everything that you want here and remove the ones you don't want. So if I don't need this section, you simply just delete it. So let's change this image. So we're just gonna go to elements and then search for working woman. So it's integrated with some free photos. So you go to the photo section, and then you'll be able to see here images of a working woman. So the ones with this icon are pro, so we want a free image. So let's just do this and drag it there, right click and replace background. So after replacing background, let me minimize this, you just click on this page and then go to transparency and then reduce the transparency to around 40. This is how it looks. All that's okay. You just adjust to the point where you feel it's better, and that is it. And so you want to make sure that this transparency color is brown, or let's change it to that. So that's how it's gonna look. Let's see. Yes, so let's just reduce it a little bit to that. This is better. All right, so after customizing everything that you want, the contacts, the portfolio, you are just gonna preview your website. So this is the preview on mobile, and we have a couple of images to change. So this is the preview on computer. So when I go home, it takes me to the main page, about, background, portfolio, and contacts. So let's close this and modify a few things. We are going to change these images. So I'll just go to elements, and then we're going to choose another image. Let's choose that. And also we're going to choose another image. So after changing the images, we come back here and also change this image. So just simply drag it there. But then if you don't want something, you can just delete it. For example, you just click on this or highlight this and then press the delete icon, and then we can resize this so that they are matching in terms of spacing. So you just drag this to there, drag this to there, so that the spacing is even. And so we have portfolio items. You can increase these font sizes by just highlighting it and then coming here, increase it to 20 and move this. So let's increase all these to 20. Simply highlight. Same here. We're gonna increase them all to 20 and just move this a little bit. Same applies here. Just click on this and increase it to 20. Let's increase this to 20 as well. Move this a little bit up. Move this as well and stretch it. And then lastly, this section, let's also increase it to 20 and stretch it. So now once you have customized all these and you are comfortable with what you have, you can preview and see your website. And once you are comfortable with how it looks and the content in it, the next thing is to just simply publish the website. So you just come here and click on publish. So when you click on publish, it will say we have locked your design while you publish your website. It will tell you to publish on web and resize on mobile, and then with navigation. You can choose without navigation, but we're going to choose with navigation, and we're going to choose a free domain. So choosing free domain, and then if you have an existing domain, choose this option, or you can purchase a new one. But then we are choosing a free one. Let's just click on continue, and then it will give me a URL which I can change if I want to, but I want it to be that way. So I'll just leave it like that. And then website description, you can write that, test website. So after that, you're gonna scroll down and you click on publish. So once you click on publish, your website is gonna be ready. You can see the URL is https://fenywebmycanvasite.com. But then if you put a custom domain, it will be hosted on that. So this is basically how you can create a portfolio website using Canva in just less than 5 minutes. 5 minutes. So you can copy this link and share with friends, and also we can view the website. So this is the actual running website. Look at that. And then here the watermark is designed with Canva. So guys, let me know what you think about this Canva website builder, and if you've used it before, tell me how good it is. It's actually amazing, especially if you're someone who technically don't know where to start from, yet you want to build a quick website. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.